Hello and welcome to Owain Talks Business With. Today I'm really pleased to be at the M-Sparc in Anglesey, and I'll be talking to Sara and Sian from the Enterprise Hub. And that's been funded by the European Regional Development Fund by the Welsh Government. So look forward to speaking to them. Diolch yn fawr iawn, thank you. Why do you work at the Enterprise Hub?
Well, I've been running my own business for quite a few years now, and I thought it would be a really good opportunity to help people who want to do the same.
I like to help people, so by working at the Enterprise Hub I feel like I help a variety of people.
What does the Hub offer?
So the Hub is there to help anyone in North West Wales who wants to start a business. We've got all the essential things like business advisors, loads of different educational events, but more importantly we have space that businesses can base their business from, and that's free for at least 6 months, and it's about that community within spaces like in M-Sparc, Conwy Business Centre, Dolgella and Botwnog. We've got loads of different spaces like that.
What are you most proud of so far?
So far I think we're proud of all the events that we've been putting on, especially the Alana Spencer event that was put on over 4 counties, and also all the clients that we have helped.
I agree. Some of the big events have been really good. Getting people like big names like Microsoft up to North Wales has been really, really interesting. And it's also seeing the businesses that we've helped, that see them develop within the space but also develop onto other places and just keep on growing that way, and it's been really good.
How do people contact you?
So they can get in touch via phone 01248 858 070.
Or post at hubmenter.wales.
We're also on all the social media as @hubmenter.